Hey, what's up YouTube, man? It's your boy HB3 in the building. Today I'm coming to y'all with a great video. I'm going to be shouting out to some people that really helped me when it came to products. I also want to talk about the products just a little bit, not too much, but I want to definitely shout them out, because if you're a waver or someone who just don't even have to be a waver, you're just someone who wants to know of a dope product to put in your hair that's going to be really great for your hair, stay tuned. I got something to show you. So before we get started, I do want to let y'all know, definitely subscribe to my channel. All my information is going to be down in the description below. Also, the people that we're going to be talking about when it comes to products, their information is also going to be down in the description below. So if you're going to ask questions like, hey, where do I get this product? Where do I get these products? All the information is below. So make sure you go ahead and look at that. But definitely subscribe first. But let's go ahead and get started. So basically, the reason why I really think these are dope products is because, especially for wavers, is because the people who make these products are actual wavers. They are people who have waves. They are people who are in the wave community. They are people who actually promote hair health, you know? So these guys really deserve a lot of credit for what they have brought to the wave game and brought when it comes to hair care. I definitely know for a fact that my hair benefits from this, so it's really good. So the first product I want to talk about is going to be, of course, Natural Waves. I've actually been dealing with this product for many years. I say roughly about 3 to 4 years that I've actually used this product. The product that I have right now currently is going to be a more updated version of what I had years ago, but it's definitely great. This product is made by a guy named Brush 360. Don't want y'all to think 360 G's when y'all hear that, but his name is Brush 360. Brush 360. Okay. He makes a great product. Just some information that I want to go over with you about what he says about his products particularly. Let me actually get this information pulled up for you so you can actually hear how he feels about his product. So these are the words from Brush 360. My moisturizers are pH balanced. This allows me to address a specific user's porosity. For example, a high porosity user would need more acidity, sorry, I cannot read, than a low to normal porosity user. In essence, a high porosity user's pH would be lower on that pH scale. That is the best way for them to optimize the moisture in the product. Without that adjustment, a store-bought moisturizer would still leave their hair feeling firmer. This is why I designed a pH balanced moisturizer. I'm hypo, and nothing on the shelves would work. It was going to cost $40 to $60 for me to get a pH balanced moisturizer. I said hell no and began to create. I also knew that anyone less fortunate than me could not afford that as well. A low and normal porosity user needs more alkaline or a higher pH. These are the reasons why so many products off the shelf don't work. Trying to find something that works, they build them and it is what it is. The user suffers spending tons of money. They could even find a product that works when they first buy it. Yeah, this is really great. Just this information alone about this guy, you can tell just from the wording when using pH levels and stuff like that, porosity, high porosity, low porosity. This lets you know automatically this guy puts a lot of emphasis into his products and what he does. I have of course, the dipping wolf butter. I have the deep conditioner. I have the cream moisturizer. I have the dipping butter. Those are all made by Brush 360. As you can see here, as I'm showing the products for you, they are really great, really dope products. I will highly recommend investing into these products. Definitely good on the hair, makes my hair feel soft, smooth, have shine, smells extremely good. So definitely look into those. Alright, so the second product that I want to talk to y'all about, of course, is going to be Legion sauce. Legion sauce is made by a guy named Brian Nitty. Brian Ginyard Sr., I think. But on the pages, the wave pages, he's going to be called Nitty. So he has a dope product. Legion sauce is really, really good. It's essential oil. Just to give y'all a little information about these oils that this guy uses. I mean, we're talking argan oil, avocado oil, black castor oil, jojoba oil, lavender oil, peppermint oil, rosemary, sweet almond oil, walnut oil, macadamia oil. Like, the list goes on of the essential oils that this guy is using to help people with their hair. I mean, a lot of this stuff aids with dry scalp, aids with hair growth, slow graying, blood flow of the scalp, deep conditioning, seals in moisture, omega-9 fatty acids, you know, helping with the levels, soothe, soften, shine, you name it, man. It's just so much stuff. You just need to go to that website, which I'm definitely going to put down in the description. It's really, really, really dope. This guy did his homework, and that's key. You know, all these guys have done their homework, but what he's doing, I mean, it just smells really, really good with each product. You need to go to the website, check it out for yourself, see what you like, see how you like it. He has a variety of oils you can pick from, as you can see right here as I'm showing them to you. I mean, so definitely try these, you know, try these products as well. Last but not least, the one I want to go over, of course, is going to be HD Waves. This guy is named Michael Stevens. I've actually known this guy before waving in the wave pages, in the wave community. I knew him actually in the military. We used to be stationed on the same boat. Shout out to the Truman, CVN 75. We used to be stationed on the same boat, and this guy started making products, and when I say HD Waves is really, really good, you will definitely enjoy this product. Now, the one that I'm talking about in particular, of course, as you see right here, is going to be Glaze. Glaze is really, really dope. It has that greasy feel just a little bit, but it's not greasy at all. I mean, it's really, really good. It breaks down in your hand very well. Just a few things that this product has in it. I mean, you were talking about castor oil, mango butter, almond oil, just some of the main products that are in it. One of the things I do love about it the most, though, is the smell. The smell is crazy magnificent. If you ever drunk a Sprite, if you ever smelled the Sprite when you first open the Sprite, this is actually what it smells like. You're gonna be shocked when you get it, but it's a dope product. I mean, you know, it's great on shine. It's great with keeping your hair soft. You know, just a few things that I want to go over with HD Glaze, and y'all, trust me, y'all would definitely enjoy that product. So just try it out. But yeah, all together, man, these are gonna be some dope products that y'all will definitely enjoy and like. Highly recommend getting one of these, all of these, any of these. There's no product that's better than the other to me. I mean, they're all dope. Just try them out. You know what I'm saying? You can't knock nothing until you try it. Do want to go ahead and do some other personal shout outs too, and also some honorable mentions. I haven't got these products yet, but I'm definitely going to be getting them. There's another one. Her name is Lakiesha Ingram. But on the wave pages, you may know her as Diva. Wavedup Diva. She's also a waver. She's really dope, but she has a product line called Diva Butter. You may want to try those out. I'll put her information down in the description as well. Haven't got an opportunity to go ahead and get her products just yet, but I will be purchasing from her pretty soon. And also there's another one called Fluffy Puffs. Fluffy Puffs is another product that I think that a lot of people should go out there and try. It's made by, I think her name is Alyssa Wilson, I believe is her name. She's not necessarily a waver, but she's big on, you know, in the hair care community, you know, she's big on, you know, just, you know, natural hair and stuff like that. But she make these products called Fluffy Puff, you know, Fluffy Puff products. So yeah, definitely want to try those out as well. I'll put their information down in the description just to give you more variety. But what's really important that I want everybody to understand is that, you know, you go into these stores, your local beauty stores, and you purchase these products that are made. They have all this petroleum in it. They have all these products, all these ingredients that really are not good for your hair, you know, and that's what we need to stop doing. You know, just a few years ago I found out one hair care product has actually an ingredient in it that can cause cancer. You got to be careful with what you're putting in your head, because you never know what could happen down the road. You know, with these guys and ladies that are creating these products, they're really true BOBs, you know, black owned businesses, and you know, they're also people who use the product themselves and put a lot of, you know, blood, sweat, tears, time into creating these things. So gotta give a heavy shout out to them. I'm not saying that you need to go get these products, but I highly recommend having them, you know, a part of your arsenal. You know, find people who make products not for just, you know, you, but also for themselves, and use it themselves. That's the big thing. That's the key. I thank y'all for coming in and joining me on this video. You know, like I said, get at me, so make sure you subscribe to the channel. You know, information down in the description below. Got any questions or concerns, need any help with your waves, please let me know. I'm out of here.